Hi, welcome to the Likeable Forms PandaDoc tutorial. To get started, you want to go ahead and add your Likeable Forms license key and also your PandaDoc API key. Once you've added both of these, let's go ahead and hit Verify License Key. I've already done this just because it's for the demo. On your screen, you'll actually see all of your settings being created here at the time of filming this video. To get started, we actually need to select a PandaDoc template. So all of the templates set up inside of your PandaDoc account will be populated here in your dropdown. And let's go ahead and select one, new template. Right now, it's just going ahead and grabbing all of your signer fields, and we've created a couple of signer fields. So for the new template, demo template, there's only one signer. So you're going to see this here. If you have multiple signers, you'll see multiple signer fields appear in this section. The invitation subject is basically your email subject. So this could be, for example, if you have a non-disclosure agreement, you can also add a dynamic field here in addition to that. And then the invitation message right beneath it is essentially the email body. So it's just a short snippet of information, and we can type in static content, or we can also include dynamic content such as hello, your name, and please sign the document. The next step is actually populating the full name and the email address. So we use this email address field for the signer to actually dynamically map the documents that we send to each of your signers. So this is pretty important. Let's go ahead and add a name and an email address for our signer, and then we'll jump back into our settings. And now we can go ahead and use the text field for the name and the email address field for the client email. If we jump down here, our last option is forwarding settings. It's two options: yes, allow document and signature request forwarding. And what this basically means is if we send it to, let's say, email address 2, that person can actually forward the document to someone else. So if you don't want that, we want to select no. If you're okay with that, just go ahead and select yes. That's it.